Hi, it's Veronica from EB1A greencard.com. Today I have a little update regarding priority dates. In the last video I've interviewed a lawyer and we were talking about priority dates, that it's not current for any country, that nobody can file their adjustment of status. And we all kind of hope that it's going to open with the new fiscal year. But in October it didn't happen. And also the new visa bulletin shows that in November the situation will remain basically the same. All the countries' priority dates are not current. So what are the options? What you can do? First of all, I should remind that I'm not a lawyer. I just gather the information together and publish it on my blog and here on the YouTube channel, but it's only general information. It's not a legal advice, and if you need an advice what you should do in your specific case, you should hire an attorney or make your own decision. So the first option you obviously have is just go to website USCIS.gov/visa bulletin info, and there you can find visa bulletin. And I scroll down to the chart employment-based adjustment of status applications, and the first category shows that all the countries are not current. So what I recommend to do is go there every month. The new visa bulletin for new month usually appears in the middle of the month. This month it appears, I think, in 12th of October. So go to check it and be prepared to file your application immediately when the doors open. You should be ready to file on the first day of the next month, if you find that the priority dates are current for your country. The next option you might want to consider is something what is called non-concurrent filing. I have heard this from my customers on EB2 National Interest Waiver blog. There are people from China and India who has a huge problem in EB2 category. Their priority dates are not current. They're backlogged for many years. So what they do, they file non-concurrently. They file the first stage, their Immigrant Petition I-140, and then wait with the adjustment of status with their I-485. And what happens when they file their immigration petition, that's their priority date. So basically the door of the store is still closed, but they are already waiting in the line. And the advantage is that when the doors of the store opens, they could come in sooner than the other people who are just waiting with concurrent filing with the whole petition. And the third options, which might be or might not be appropriate for you, is EB2 National Interest Waiver. It's another green card category where you can file by yourself. You don't need an employer. And there is a good chance, if you are EB1A, you have some extraordinary ability, you have really great achievements, then you might be a good candidate for national interest waiver as well. The requirements are obviously different, but they are somewhat similar things which you can use in an EB2 national interest waiver application as well. And it doesn't have to be a lot of work to change the petition from EB1A to National Interest Waiver. The advantage of National Interest Waiver is that some of the countries are current. Actually, only China and India, it's typically they are backlogged for many years in EB2 National Interest Waiver, but all the other countries in November 2018 are current. So it might be an option. So if you want to check more details about this category, I will link below my other blog. It's www.eb2niw.com, and you can find a ton of free information there, which I've gathered over many years from not only from official resources but from lawyers, from real applicants from the real life. So go to check it out. Okay, I think that's all for now. I don't have any better news, and these were just ideas. I'm not saying that that's the best for you, but you might consider it. So good luck and see you next time.